Hello friends, welcome to News Media 47. My name is Shobhit Chotwani and today we'll talk about a person whom we call the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath ji. Yogi Adityanath, whose full name is Ajay Singh Bist, who is the Mahant and politician of the famous Gorakhnath temple in Gorakhpur and is currently the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Lok Sabha Parliament from Gorakhpur, Yogi Adityanath is known for his hardline Hindutva politics in Indian politics. They do politics on behalf of the Bharatiya Janata Party. His statement, garland in one hand, spear in one hand, shows his fundamentalism. Adityanath is the successor of former Mahant Evaidyanath of Gorakhnath Temple. He is also founder of Hindu Yuva Vahini, a social, cultural and nationalist group of Hindu youth. Yogi Adityanath took oath as the 21st Chief Minister of the state on March 19, 2017 after the victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in the assembly elections. He has been representing the Gorakhpur Lok Sabha constituency on a Bharatiya Janata Party ticket since 1998 and was elected MP for here in the 2014 Lok Sabha election as well, where he became the parliament for the first time. His age was 26 years, which is the record for the becoming the youngest parliamentarian. Yogi Adityanath's vision became such that wherever he would have stood, the meeting would have started. Whatever Yogi would say became a kind of law for his supporters. Even when Holi and Deepavali are celebrated, Yogi Adityanath announces it from the Gorakhnath temple. Let us tell you that the festival of Hindus in Gorakhpur is celebrated a day later. Yogi Adityanath and his Hindu Yuva Vahini run in Gorakhpur and the surrounding area. Yogi has a such threat in BJP too. Yogi Adityanath was born on 5 June 1972 in a Garhwali Rajput family of Panchud village of Yamakeshwar Tehsil located in Pauri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. Its childhood name is Ajay Singh Bist. His father's name is Anand Singh Bist, who was a forest ranger, and his mother name is Savitri Devi. He was the fifth of the 7 children of his parents after 3 elder sisters and 1 elder brother, and has 2 more younger brothers. Yogi Adityanath has retired in childhood and he is not married. He started his studies in the local school of Gaza in Tehri in 1977 and passed the 10th examination from here in 1987. In 1989, he passed his intermediate examination from Sri Bharat Mandir Inter College, Rishikesh. While pursuing his graduation in 1990, he joined the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. In 1992, he passed the BSc in Mathematics from Hemwati Nandan, Bahugana Garhwal University, Srinagar. During his stay in Kotwar, belongings were stolen from his room in which his Sanat certificate was also there. For this reason, his attempt to do post-graduation in science from Gorakhpur failed. After this, he again took admission in postgraduate science in Rishikesh. But due to impact of Ram Temple movement and trouble regarding admission, his attention got diverted. During his MSc in mathematics in 1993, he came to Gorakhpur to do research on Guru Gorakhnath, and it was during the stay in Gorakhpur that he came in contact with the Mahant Evaidyanath, a resident of his neighboring village and an old acquaintance of his family. Eventually, he went under the shelter of Mahant and took initiation, and for that, in 1994, he became a complete monk, after which his name changed from Ajay Singh Bist to Yogi Adityanath. After the death of former Mahant Evaidyanath of Gorakhnath Temple on 12 September 2014, he was made the Mahant here. 2 days later, he was made the Pidadeshwar of the temple according to the traditional rituals of the Nath Panit. His first exposure as a student leader came in 1990. Some students studying in Inter College run from Gorakhnath Temple in Golgar, the main market of Gorakhpur city, come to a shop to buy clothes, and they got into some dispute with the shopkeeper. When the shopkeeper was attacked, he took out the revolver. The 2 days later, students led by a young yogi staged a furious prison demanding against the shopkeeper and also climbed the wall of SSP residence. After that, he started his journey. Yogi Adityanath accepted his family life at the age of 22 and becoming a monk. Instead of worshipping the Lord at once, he opted to roam the entire area and spread awareness. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel.